An AI chip is designed to process the type of calculations used in artificial intelligence systems. These calculations usually involve working with very large sets of numbers and patterns. Unlike a traditional processor that handles many different kinds of tasks, an AI chip focuses mainly on mathematical operations used in machine learning. The process usually begins with data. This data could be images, text, voice recordings, or sensor information. Before an AI model can understand this data, it needs to convert it into numbers. These numbers are then passed through a neural network, which is a system made of multiple layers that process information step by step. Inside an AI chip, thousands of small computing units work together. Instead of performing one calculation at a time, these units perform many calculations simultaneously. This is known as parallel processing. It allows the chip to process large amounts of data very quickly. Most of the work inside an AI chip involves matrix operations. A matrix is simply a grid of numbers. Neural networks rely heavily on multiplying and adding these matrices. AI chips are optimized to perform these matrix operations efficiently, which makes them much faster than regular processors for AI tasks. Another important part of an AI chip is memory. Machine learning models require quick access to large amounts of data and model parameters. AI chips are designed so that memory and processing units are closely connected. This reduces the time needed to move data back and forth, which improves overall speed. AI chips also include specialized circuits that are built specifically for neural network tasks, such as activation functions, tensor calculations, and data movement. These dedicated circuits reduce the number of steps required to perform complex operations. In practical use, AI chips perform two main types of work: training and inference. Training is the process where a model learns from large data sets. During training, the chip processes huge volumes of data and adjusts the model's parameters to improve accuracy. This stage requires extremely high computing power. Inference happens after the model is trained. In this stage, the AI system uses what it has learned to make predictions or decisions. For example, recognizing a face in a photo or understanding spoken words. Inference requires less power than training, but still benefits from fast and efficient hardware. Many modern devices now include AI chips. Smartphones use them for features like photo enhancement and voice recognition. Data centers use large AI chips to train advanced models. Autonomous vehicles rely on them to process sensor data in real time. In simple terms, an AI chip works by handling the heavy mathematical workload required by artificial intelligence. By performing many calculations at once and reducing delays in data movement, it allows AI systems to operate faster and more efficiently.